Hello guys again. Welcome to the Beanie Booth house. Oh yes, it's me Hedge here back again. And today we're actually just sticking with nature today. Oh yes we are. We're just relaxing outside. What's that? It's a jackhammer. Oh yeah, right. Somebody next door is building a house nearby. Look, let's just go inside. Wait, let's not go inside. Let's go to a park where we hike and play. Okay, Hedgie, let's do that. We're gonna be nature hikers in the park. Want to come with us? Okay, let's go. Hurry up! We're gonna be nearly there. Oh, here we are. We're at the gates to the park. We're gonna go explore nature here. Yeah. Let's make a checklist for what we want to see. Let's search for flowers. Yes, beautiful flowers. Then let's see if we can find an animal. Yes, Hedgie. Wait, one more thing. I hope we can find an eagle. Wait, owl. An owl? We're not gonna find an owl, but we'll put on it there anyway. Okay, let's get started venturing. Let's go left, okay? Oh sure, we'll definitely go left. Come on, let's go. Okay, I think we found a flower here. Where's the flower? Right between us? Oh yeah, there's a flower. You got it. That smells so beautiful. I think I want to pick it. Bloom. We don't pick flowers in the wild. Flowers stay for everyone to enjoy. Flowers stay for everyone to enjoy. Okay, flowers stay. I don't pick. Okay, no. And they would. And they do smell very good. Maybe that's why they want to stay. Yes, I think it's time to maybe go on much more on our journey. Sure, Hedgie. Come on, Vamonos, let's go. Let's go to the next path. I really want to see an owl, Hedgie. I know. Wait, I really want to see an owl, Hedgie. Okay, you told me twice. Okay, maybe we can have a snack break. Snack break, sure. Here's our snacks with us. Who's that? It looks like it was an animal. Do you see an animal? Where? In front of us? On the left? Oh, there's the little animal. He looks so cute. Okay. Come on, take a picture of it. Jin, that's a good animal. Now let's go. What? Litter. We can't leave our snack bags here. It's litter. Oh, we don't want to leave litter. It's bad. Okay, now it's probably time to go home. Aww, but I want to see an owl. Well, there's no owl, unfortunately. Bloom, you looks like you have to give up on it. What's that? Probably nothing. Wait, did you hear that? I think it was an owl. Yeah, I was telling you that. Wait, do you see an owl anywhere, Helper? You do? Where is he? Over there? An owl! Owls are so amazing. It's my favorite animal. Thank you for finding an owl for me. You guys really are the best. Now it's time to go home. Right, Hedgie? Yep. See you in the next Playdate and video. We're always open and subscribe to us all the time.